Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, sign into your PSN account and confirm your connection is stable. Wired is best for low latency. Once signed in, open a party and invite the friend you want to share play with. Make sure they accept. After acceptance, open the party menu and select Shareplay. Choose between visitor plays as you or visitor plays a game via remote play. This kicks off the session immediately, so make sure both systems are ready and no downloads are running. Once Shareplay begins, pick the mode that fits your goal. Give your controller to the visitor to play solo, or choose Play Together to co-op locally. Make sure to monitor the 60-minute timer. You can restart the session by re-inviting when time expires. Also check NAT types. Open or moderate is ideal, and verify upload speed. Aim for at least 5 Mbps upload to reduce lag. If you plan to switch games, keep saves handy. Shareplay streams the active game only. To finish, close Shareplay from the party menu and confirm both players save progress. This prevents lost data. If the session drops or stutters, re-invite the guest, and if problems persist, restart your router and both Ps4s. Make sure heavy uploads or downloads are paused, and prefer wired Ethernet to Wi-Fi. A single key troubleshooting tip. Check NAT type and switch to open or moderate. Many interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.